Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some mail to share today. I received my prize from Lily, and her wife was hosting a live. They were doing a live, not hosting. They were doing a live, and they were creating memory decks together. And they ask you a question, and if you answer correctly, you win what they were creating. So I just got it. I actually got it on Sunday. I got it Sunday, and I just didn't have time to open it. Look at this pretty color. I love it. So I just opened it, and this is what they created on their live. It's a memory decks card. And guess what? This, I believe, is Wifey's memory decks card. Super cute. I love it. Those two are so awesome. I love watching them do their lives because they're hilarious. So I am so amazed. Check it out. Okay, so of course, let me see. Is this Wifey's? This is not Wifey's. This is Lily's. Okay, let me read the card. I won. Thank you for joining our live, Lily. Yes. Okay. This is, yes, I was mistaken. So this is Lily's. I think Wifey had, I forget, but I'm so happy. Either one would have been so amazing to receive. Yep, she did the 25. I'm laughing because we were telling her on the live, don't cover the 25. She put some bling on it. I love the little Christmas tree, the snowman, and Christmas with my Nomies. Yeah, super cute. Thank you, Lily. I appreciate it. Yeah. So, man, I don't know. Anyway, I'm super hungry, guys. I'm sorry. Thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it, Lily and Wifey. Thank you so much. I love every bit of it. Oh my gosh, all the details. Amazing. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, thank you. And I will see you all on the next video, guys. Bye.